Keeping your Magic Chef HNIM27ST ice maker clean is essential for producing fresh, odor-free ice and maintaining reliable performance. Over time, minerals from water, small ice particles, and moisture buildup can create residue inside the reservoir and ice tray. If this buildup isn't removed regularly, it may affect ice quality or slow down the machine's operation. A careful deep cleaning not only improves hygiene but also helps extend the life of the ice maker's internal components. Fortunately, the process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes with basic cleaning supplies. Try these. Step 1. Turn the ice maker off, unplug it, and remove the ice basket and scoop from inside the machine. Step 2. Drain any remaining water from the reservoir using the drain plug or by carefully tilting the unit over a sink. Step 3. Wipe the interior surfaces and reservoir using a soft cloth with warm water and mild vinegar or a gentle cleaner. Step 4. Rinse the inside with clean water and wipe it dry to remove any cleaning solution residue. Step 5. Reinstall the basket, plug the machine back in, and run one ice cycle, then discard the first batch before regular use.